A 3-year-old toddler is brought to the hospital with a burn injury after he accidentally dipped his hand in hot water in the bathtub. The boy was started on acetaminophen, trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole, magnesium sulfate gauze, and topical clotrimazole after aseptic wound care. A few days later, he develops greenish discoloration of the wound. A wound swab is sent to the lab for culture, which reveals the growth of gram-negative bacilli. All of this is very specific. The situation of a patient having a burn injury, and then having a gram-negative bacilli. Even if they had not given you gram-negative, just given you greenish discoloration of the wound, this is a very specific description. Which of the following therapies would be most appropriate for this patient? Double jump question again. A patient getting a burn injury and getting, developing a greenish discoloration of the wound, which is piperacillin is used for that. So it is a pseudomonas infection, and pseudomonas is treated with piperacillin. That is a common, I think this is a very common vignette. Gram-negative bacilli, greenish discoloration after aseptic wound care is taken in a burn injury. So with that, yeah, actually linezolid it's one of the heavy guns we could give, but piperacillin is the go-to drug for pseudomonas. We usually try to give drugs which are only effective for that particular linezolid is Werchol drug, but we usually give it for linezolid in that sense as well, but piperacillin is more towards a pseudomonas. So whenever you get a pseudomonas question, it's only piperacillin or tazobactam. You don't have to think more overtly or that it could be a linezolid. It's a sort of straightforward types question. You are right, we could use it, but it's something you could say a USMLE style question, that if there's a pseudomonas question, it needs to be related with the piperacillin tazobactam combination, something like that.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.